I tried quitting cold turkey many years ago. I actually quit with laser 27 years ago, but before that, I tried many methods and failed, including cold turkey. And that's the best way to suffer. You know, if you've ever tried going without cigarettes for 12 hours, well, you need to go through 72 hours with no cigarettes so that you're no longer physically addicted. But most people can't do that on their own because the cigarettes are so strong, and cigarette manufacturers have added so many chemicals to tobacco that you can't just have one and not have a second one. So as far as going cold turkey, it doesn't work for most people. I wish anyone luck if they want to try, but I know myself, it brings out the worst in people. And you know, just I've talked to a lot of people that have been in through our doors, and they laugh and say how they tried cold turkey and how some family, you know, were just so upset and not speaking with them because they were so ugly while they were trying to go through the withdrawal on their own. So why go through a withdrawal? You're still going to go through withdrawal when you quit with laser, but you don't feel the negative side effects. So why would you want to suffer and go through the withdrawal? I mean, by all means try, but cold turkey doesn't work these days because the cigarettes are too strong, and it's just impossible to let them alone once you've had one. So I would say go with the laser therapy.